Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your carrier supports RTT and your device runs a modern Android release. Once done, update the phone app so RTT options appear. Open phone app settings, go to accessibility, and tap real-time text. Turn it on and pick a default mode, either enable RTT for all calls or for incoming only. Do this now. Enabling here exposes RTT controls during calls, and you place or answer a phone call and look for the RTT or text button in the in-call screen. Once tapped, a live text field appears. Type normally and your text streams in real time to the other party. Use full duplex to send and receive simultaneously or half duplex to alternate turns when required. If you need to speak, pause typing. RTT preserves the text. Make sure the other party's device or app supports RTT so you both see live text. You complete the call as usual, and if the conversation included important text, copy or screenshot the RTT stream before closing because some apps don't retain transcripts. Check call logs or phone app history for any saved RTT content. If RTT doesn't connect, make sure the feature is enabled, reboot the phone, and retry. If problems persist, contact your carrier. RTT depends on network support. One tip: toggling RTT off and on after a reboot often clears configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.